Hey, it's Ree. I'm finally back. Let me about my stuff. I've been gone because number one, school fucking sucks. And number three, I don't know where this came from. Number three, I've been having a very hard time liking my makeup, and the only way my makeup could become better is to get new makeup, because maybe my makeup expired and I never knew about it. So that is my excuse for why my makeup has been becoming trash. But if you guys haven't noticed, well, you probably can see it on camera, but my hair is navy blue, midnight blue. It probably is gonna look much bluer outside, but right now I don't know if you guys can see it. But besides that, I'm back. I really don't want to take another break. I do need a new laptop, so I might have to invest in a Mac, because this Windows laptop is killing me. The sound, the audio, the video, everything is off. I could be saying something and 20 minutes later you hear it. I'm just tired of it. So there's a lot of things that played a part as to why I've been gone, but I want to come back. Who knows, I might get a Mac over the weekend or something. But I want to show you guys all the stuff I got yesterday, because I do believe that I do need new makeup. Makeup just has the expiration date, so I'm not saying anything a little crazy. But if you guys want to see everything I got, I'm gonna try not to edit this video. Who's protecting the kid? Of course, it's my sister. Let's see what she wants. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with everything I have. I think I'm gonna start off with the smallest thing, which is NYX. I got the number 3 brush, which is like the brush that like Jackie Aina swears by, and I still haven't like tried to get a new brush because I really like sponges. But the one brush that I like, if I was to use a brush, this would be the brush. So this is the number 3 brush by NYX. Okay, let me not even try and open it. And then I got this girl on Instagram. You know how you see people doing makeup and stuff. This girl had used this intense butter gloss by NYX in the color Cookie Butter. I don't know if I had this, but I just got it just in case I didn't. And that she used it on a dark skinned woman. Oh my god, that shit was so pretty. So I was like, I need to get it. She also used this lip liner that I got, but that's all I got from NYX. Oh, and I also got from NYX cinnamon roll intense butter gloss is the perfect. I was wearing it now. Let me go. Should I go put some more on? I think I'm fine, but I'm wearing this now, but it faded a little bit. Intense butter gloss cinnamon roll by NYX, perfect nude for dark skin. I got 2. I got everything in the store, which was only 2 left. So if you're dark skin, you're looking for the perfect lip gloss, cinnamon roll. That's it. Period. So I went to Ulta a couple of times, because the first Ulta I went to was beyond garbage, beyond trash, beyond the recycling, beyond landfill. It was so I got a Kylie lip kit in the color True Brown K. I was gonna swatch it, but it like deepens over time, so really wouldn't make sense to swatch it, because you won't see the real color until probably the end of this video. But I don't recall if I ever said I was never gonna get a Kylie lip kit. If I did, I'm a hypocrite, I'm so sorry. But this color was the first brown color I wanted. Was the first brown color I wanted ever since like ColourPop did Embellish. And what other brown lipsticks? I have mad brown lipsticks, but this is the OG, and they started selling it at Ulta, even though she excluded it from all coupons. That dumb hoe. But I still got it, and I still got my points. So I went back to Ulta to get I went to Ulta again to get a brown eyeliner, because the one I have right now on my eyes, you can't really see it, but it's like fake black. It's like blue black gray. Is that possible? Blue black gray. So I just got the NYX retractable eyeliner in the color black. The one I got was from the beauty supply store, so who knows, it might have been on the verge of expiring or something, because it was giving me 10 different colors at one time. So I was a little over it. So then next, I just went back to get a tweezer. This was the cheapest tweezer in Ulta, $7. I usually get elf tweezers because elf tweezers are so damn pointy and like what do they call it, hard duty. They're so like strong and whatever. Elf tweezers are only $1, but they didn't have it at both Ultas I went to, so I had to get this $7 tweezer. So I went back to Ulta, got another Kylie lipstick in the color. My sister's calling me. Hello?
Yeah, I have to take a fucking physical education class and it's 1 credit.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Oops. So, oh, wait, where did that color go? Peach. I just had it. Oh, I found it. I'm so silly. So I got the color Velvet lipstick in the color Punk, and it's like this deep purple. I swatched it earlier, but I have to swatch it again because I washed my hands and shit. So it's like this color. I want to go back to wearing color lipstick, matte lipstick, velvet lipstick, whatever. I want to go back to wearing all that because I've just been being lazy with putting lip gloss on my lips and calling it a day. So I want to start getting into more looks, doing heavier eyeshadow, fuller coverage faces, and what's it called? And like darker lipsticks, heavier lipsticks. So the real Ulta haul is in here. So I always, every time I go to Ulta, this is nothing new, I always get sponges. I always get 2 or at least get 4 or maybe 4. So they were doing buy one get one 50% off. So I was like, sis, I can just get 2 instead of, okay, let me tell you the finesse. So buy one get one 50% off. The bigger one is $10.99 for 2, but the smaller ones are $5.99. The smaller ones are $5.99. Is my thing? Yeah, the smaller ones are $5.99 for 1. So buy one 50% off. Get 1 for $6 and the other one for $3. I saved $1 or 2. So finesse. Or maybe I didn't save money at all. Or maybe I could have got 2 2-packs. Whatever. So I saw this girl get the Morphe. No, I don't know if she used Morphe, but she had a setting spray that was continuous. And by continuous, I mean my finger is not moving. Like, oh my god, what does this smell like? Like Lysol? Like, I'm trying to have cleaning products in my face. But yeah, I saw some girl use it and I said, wow, I need a setting spray like that. That is next level shit. And this setting spray, it is a microfine mist that sets liquid or powder makeup with a radiant finish. A continuous air powered spray that delivers even and controlled applications. So I got this because I saw somebody use it. It was cool. Hopefully, I don't know what it's actually really supposed to do, but hopefully it does that. I don't know. So I really went to the store with an empty head. I just got whatever I decided that I wanted. I just put it in my cart. So may not really have needed all this stuff, but I hope this cover doesn't drop, because if it does, I'm not fixing it. Wait, hold on. I'm in front of my bed right now because I was tired of my wall. So I got some Morphe brushes. I got like 3, I believe. Yeah. So I got the M330 blending crease brush, which is like this. I got the M507 brush, which is like this. And I got the M505 tapered blending brush, which is like the biggest brush of all of them. I got the espresso lip liner that I told you guys that the girl had used with cookie butter. So I'm about to get that perfect nude lip, even though I just said I don't want to do that anymore. And LA Girl was also buy one get one 50% off, I believe. So yeah, was it? Yeah, it was. So I got porcelain, which is what I used to do cut creases, and fawn is what I used to highlight. I can never have too much fawn, even though I just bought fawn like a week or 2 ago. Like, what am I doing? I also got a white eyeliner. I don't know why. I think this was buy one get one 50% off when I got this with the black eyeliner I had showed you guys. And I got a new Morphe highlighter, High Impact Get Lit, I think in the color Mirage. And whatever. It has its big ass mirror, which I love. And this is the color. I was gonna swatch it, but I swatched it earlier on camera and it was not showing up, so you guys might just have to see this in a tutorial, sis, because my camera's playing games right now. And last but not least, definitely the most expensive thing I got from Ulta, which is the Lancome foundation in the color 540 Suede W. I don't know why I tried to guess. Like, it wasn't right here, and right here, and right here, and right here, and in the back. So I got the Lancome foundation. If you guys know me, I always say I'm never buying foundation again. I found the perfect foundation. But I think that I'm just having an excuse right now because I honestly don't know why I needed this foundation. I went on like Sephora and Ulta to check the perfect, like I did like the foundation quiz, and it said the perfect foundation for me was Lancome. So I said, let me just get it. It's matte, full coverage, stays on, whatever. So I got the Lancome, and let me show you guys the color. I'm usually cool, not warm, so, but this swatch, this one is like the old one. This swatch is kind of, it matched me pretty good. I don't want to be light skin. I want the color in the foundation bottle to be the color on my face even after 10 hours. So it seemed like Lancome, why am I saying like that? Like Lancome was the right way to go. I have to clean all my shit because if I don't, I'm not gonna do it later. So after all that from Ulta, my next trip was from MAC. So MAC, I needed a Fix Plus spray, but there's like a Fix Plus spray. If you ever been in Ulta, there's like a Fix Plus spray section, and I went over there and they had this spray, which was the Fix Plus matte spray. And I'm really into a matte face. Like matte face, I don't think I'll ever let it go because I love how it looks, especially with like bomb ass highlighter. So I got the Fix Plus matte spray. I usually get the Fix Plus regular spray like coconut or just regular, but these, I said matte, bitch, you don't have to tell me twice. So it's like coconutty color. I don't know what that will do, but I'm so happy because I don't know, Fix Plus really does fix your face, because when you have all that powder shit on your face, you're looking really dusty, you spray some Fix Plus, everything just soaks in and just makes it look so nice. So I was like, beach, let me hop on. So I'm not gonna look in it actually. I'm just gonna pick whatever, you know, sort of surprise you guys. All right, so I got the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the color Cinnamon Bun. And if you guys watch my previous video, I had this in Kunafa, but I felt like Kunafa was like turning me, not, it's a yellow, but it wasn't turning me yellow, it was turning me like pink, like light pink. So imagine this from deep red to like light pink. My face, I was just not having it. So I think it was too much with like the foundation and the powder at the same time, so I just went a little bit darker. This matches like my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder and my Maybelline Fit Me medium deep translucent powder. So it's much darker, so hopefully it'll work much better with my skin tone, because I thought that if I had light powder over my light, because you know I like my face highlighted, light powder over light concealer, it was gonna work, but it didn't. So I got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I don't know, my friend was like, oh, I was looking at my lip gloss on the phone, she's like, oh shit, my foot. Guys, let me put my camera down because I'm getting lower and lower. Yeah, so my friend was like, have you ever tried the Fenty lip gloss? I was like, no, but I'll try it today. So I walked over to Fenty and got the gloss bomb in the color Diamond Milk. The color is so nice. I was gonna try Buxom. I was gonna try like the Buxom lip glosses, but I was like, I really don't like pink lip gloss. Like pink lip gloss was my thing like years ago, and I'll never do a pink lip gloss type phase again because I kind of sort of look like a Pokemon. I don't want to look like a Pokemon anymore. So I was just like, let me just try the Fenty Beauty first before I start becoming a lip gloss fanatic. So I feel like the camera was really low. I'm gonna have to put it up a little bit. Oh, my ear. Perfecto. So next I got, oh, Smashbox. Oh, my foot is like, I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, the original. I thought the clear one that I had is the original. This might be the clear one. No, it's not. It's not the same, but this is supposed to blur fine lines and pores, leave your skin velvety smooth with the even finish. #1 product. I don't know why I don't have this versus like the clear one I have. I don't know. Is it new? It's probably not new, so I don't want to look stupid. But last but not least, I got the 2 Huda Beauty mini palettes with the Amethyst Obsessions and Ruby Obsessions. So this was 30, this was 30, but the bigger palette was 65. But I wasn't going to use all the colors in the bigger palette, so I was like, I know I'm going to use all the colors in these palettes, so it's not really a waste of money because it was a little too ashy, too chalky for me. And these I'll get more use out of. So this is Amethyst. It's so fucking pretty. This is the prettiest. This has this purple. Oh my god. This color, the matte colors, oh my. And it has the big mirror. I'm about to, let me know if you guys want me to like, is that all I got? Let me know if you guys want me to do like separate product reviews on all the, not all of them, but like if you guys want me to do an eyeshadow look with the palettes, or you guys want me to try the Lancome foundation by itself, or what else did I get, the powder by itself, or if you guys want me to just do a full face of makeup. But I think I'm good off makeup for a minute, unless I'm like shopping on websites that's not like Sephora and Ulta and like that. I want to try like Beauty Bakery and stuff. But that's the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's any makeup that you guys think that I should have to like up my makeup game, please leave it down below. I'm really like, I want to get better and better at my makeup. I want to be a B-face honey. I need to be a B-face beach. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below. I basically got like a full face of makeup, so I don't think I need any more. But if you guys have any suggestions, I'm open to it. I'm all ears. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.